Got through now, Sanjay. Yeah. Now let's go on to the Intense 5. Let's go. Snoop Dogg is now the owner of Death Row Records, the very first label he signed with, and released his acclaimed Doggy Style album. He said, "Feels good to have ownership of the label I was part of at the beginning of my career. That's really cool." Plus, he has released a brand new album called Back on Death Row.
Okay. So, still on Snoop, after all that positivity, unfortunately, there is some not so good news. A young lady has sued Snoop for sexual assault back in 2013. All this is taking place right before he's scheduled to perform at the Super Bowl halftime show. Wow, interesting.
So, DaBaby loves drama point blank, period. He and his entourage beat up his ex, Danny Lay's brother, at a bowling alley recently. Brandon allegedly went to the rapper to tell him that he didn't appreciate how DaBaby treated his sister, and clearly DaBaby never liked that. Security footage shows the fight and DaBaby as the aggressor.
Oh boy.
Although from a different angle, he never lick him. So, I don't know, like,
Drama.
just lock him away.
Drama. Cardi B and Offset are so cute. They got their wedding date tattooed on each of their hands. Aww. But they did the tattooing.
Oh.
Very interesting, right? They were being watched by a real tattoo artist to ensure that all went okay.
That's cute. And finally holding the spot this week, Marion Hall says her haters have won and she will no longer be preaching on social media. However, that was translated as, "I'm coming back to dancehall, so look out." Now, we don't know the real deal, but we are watched like everybody else. Some fest is around the corner, so let's see. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.